Hey traders! In today's video, we are going to compare two popular options trading platforms, QuantPower and Sensibull. Let's dive right in. Starting with option trading features, both QuantPower and Sensibull offer a wide range of tools and analytics. However, QuantPower provides advanced option Greeks, options analysis, option chain, and future analysis, all bundled together. Sensibull, on the other hand, focuses primarily on options trading strategies and analysis without offering advanced future analysis. Now let's talk about user-friendliness. QuantPower provides a user-friendly and intuitive interface, making it easy for traders to navigate and execute trades. Sensibull also offers a user-friendly platform, but some traders might find its interface a bit overwhelming due to the extensive options and data available. When it comes to algo trading, QuantPower stands out with its seamless integration of algo bots and other powerful tools. Traders can automate their trading strategies and enjoy the benefits of algorithmic trading. However, Sensibull does not offer any dedicated features or support for algo trading, limiting the automation capabilities on their platform. Another important aspect is backtesting. QuantPower provides robust backtesting functionality, allowing traders to test their strategies on historical data to assess performance. Unfortunately, Sensibull does not offer a backtesting feature, which can be a drawback for traders looking to evaluate and refine their trading strategies. Now let's discuss positions and order book management. QuantPower provides a unified platform where traders can easily access and manage their positions, order book, and live charts without the need to switch back and forth between the platform and their brokers. What sets QuantPower apart is the ability to place MTM stop-loss orders on your portfolio, enabling traders to proactively manage their risk. Sensibull, on the other hand, doesn't offer these extensive features for positions and order book management, which can limit traders' flexibility in monitoring and controlling their trades. Moving on to pricing, QuantPower offers two subscription plans. The first plan is priced at 99 rupees per month, providing access to a wide range of features and tools. For traders looking for more advanced capabilities, there is a premium plan available at 1199 rupees per month, offering additional benefits and personalized support. In addition, QuantPower extends its gratitude to the loyal customers who have been with them since the beginning. As a token of appreciation, old QuantPower customers continue to enjoy free access to the platform, ensuring they can benefit from the latest tools and features without any additional charges. Sensibull also offers various subscription plans, allowing traders to choose based on their requirements and budget. To sum it up, both QuantPower and Sensibull have their unique features and cater to different trading preferences. QuantPower excels with its comprehensive option trading features, user-friendly interface, pricing flexibility, support for algo trading, backtesting capabilities, and the convenience of managing positions and order book in one place. Sensibull, on the other hand, focuses primarily on options trading strategies and analysis without offering future analysis, algo trading, or backtesting. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this analysis has helped you understand the key differences between QuantPower and Sensibull.